All right, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to be installing some new headlights on the F350. I picked up these all clears to replace the factory lights. These are kind of all hazy and they have the amber on the sides. I don't like that. So today we're going to get these new ones installed. They were only like 150 bucks with free shipping, so freaking cheap enough. Might as well replace them. So I ended up getting all new LED lights and LED turn signals, which are actually switchback. So when I hit the turn signal, it'll go from a white LED to an amber LED. So I think it's gonna look really good. So first things first, we'll get the hood pops. We're gonna have to go ahead and pull the grill off, and then we should be able to access the headlights. All right, so once you have the grill off, I'll show you right where those clips are. It's actually 5, not 4. There's one here, there, and there. You just push the little metal tabs down that are on that grill, and it's actually gonna pop the bottom right off. So now as far as getting this headlight out, you're gonna have a couple, you'll be able to see just from looking at it. You have a 10 mil there, another 10 mil there, and then I believe there's one down here. Yep, yeah, this one's kind of a bitch to get to. There's another one right in there. Then those will come out. We'll be able to get the new ones put in with all the new LEDs in them, and then we'll be able to put it on. So I just finished getting the new headlights installed with the LEDs. I did end up having to run to AutoZone and grab these load equalizers, which is just like a built-in resistor. So when you put LEDs in, it's a different resistance. So sometimes you'll have a Hyperflash where you hit your blinker and the light will flicker. Or if you get switchback, sometimes the actual switchback part of it won't work. These were flickering pretty fast. So I went and got the load resistors and installed them. And now I'll show you the turn signals.
Nice.